What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So I finally got the headlights in the mail. I was going to show you guys a couple of days ago. However, I had something else that I wanted to add into the headlights that I wanted to come in so that I could do it all at once and show you guys what I was doing with the headlights. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the headlights, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm doing to the headlights before I put them in the truck. So yeah, I got a little bit of a bobo earlier. That's why I put the Band-Aid on there. But back to what we're talking about. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the headlights, and then we're going to go ahead and install everything into the headlights, and I'll go over everything.
Wizard, what do you see as you twist the tiles beneath our feet? Do you see?
I just pull off this plastic. Look at that. So as you guys can see, I've got the color matched headlights to the truck. If you don't know the headlights I already have, you're new to the channel, I'll go ahead and show a picture here of what the headlights I have in now are. You seen it? You see what I have? You see what I'm working with? Okay. Anyways, I didn't like the chrome look. I wanted a nice color matched set of headlights, so I went with the it's kind of like a replica of the LTZ color matched blackout package. I've got the projector as a low beam, so instead of being an H11 bulb, it's going to be an H1 bulb. It's coming. And for the high beam, you're going to stick with the 9005 LED bulb. Well, this is a halogen. Obviously, I'm going to change it to an LED. When I do change it and swap it into the headlight of the truck, I'm going to take those out and put it into here. So it's going to be the exact same headlight. So yeah, just give it a good look. Anyway, I'm in love with these headlights. I got them from a company called VIP Moto, I believe. They're like a replica headlight building company of sorts. So yeah, I'm super impressed with the quality. I mean, it's just color match to the truck, exactly what I wanted. It's going to look super good on the truck. And the mods I was talking about is I'm converting the projector to an LED. I know what you guys are going to say, oh, projectors aren't made for LEDs, but I got a bulb that was specifically made for projector housings. So it's going to work for this. I'll go over that in a couple of seconds here. I'm also adding LED switchbacks to these. I know also what you're going to say. You don't have clear housings, it's going to look like shit, it's not going to work. It's going to work. What's going to happen is when they run white, these are going to kind of look yellow. And then when they go to switchback, they're going to go to a dark orange. So it's going to give it a bit of a different look, which I wanted. I've already seen a video on YouTube of people putting LED switchbacks in the amber housings, and it looked good. I like the way that it looks, so that's what I'm doing with my truck. So let's go ahead and add the LED bulbs in here. It's a little bit tricky. I've already done one headlight, so I'm going to go over doing it with the other one with you guys. And then, so yeah, we're going to skip to that, installing the LED bulb. So here we are looking at the back of the headlight housing. Now it's going to look the same as the generic reflective housing headlights. You're going to have your connector that you connect your harness to. You're going to have your turn signals, and I believe these are the wires that go into inside the headlight to run your high beam and your low beam. So what you're going to do is, or what I'm going to do, I always explain these videos as if I'm doing a how-to video. Even if I'm just showing you what I'm putting into my headlights, I always start saying, so what you're going to do is do this, like you guys are doing the same thing. You might not even be doing the same thing. You might just be watching my videos because you like my videos. Yeah. But anyways, back to the topic. So what you're going to do is, it even says right here, open and lock. So you're going to turn to the left, open her up, and you're going to notice that it looks a lot different than your generic reflective housing bulb. It has these two wires, I believe is your positive and your ground here. And then you have this little clip. And so we just go ahead and take apart this. So you just pull out the wire for the positive, you pull out the wire for the negative, just put those aside, and then you're going to see this little clip just push down into the left, and it just comes out like that, and this is your actual bulb right here. So pull that out, And that's all it is. That's your bulb for your projector housing. So these are the bulbs I ended up going with. They're a little bit more expensive of a bulb, but I wanted quality when it comes to projectors. Like, that's not the bulb, that's just the box they used, I guess. But they are from Novsight Auto Lighting. They are an H1 bulb. These actually have a fan instead of a heatsink for cooling. Quite a bit larger back here, so you're going to kind of wonder how this is going to work, but I'm going to show you. As you can see from the end of where it connects to the bulbs, the filament and the LED strip is exactly at the same spot. So we're going to get the same kind of light, I'm hoping. And as you can see, this is really thin. So you're going to get more of a 360 light effect, which is what you want with projector housings. So that's why I went with these. And when you also look through the manual, it shows you that it is for the projector housing bulbs. So I'm going to go ahead and install these. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So right off the bat here, you do notice that there is a heat sink. So when you put the LED into the housing like that and put into place, you can't fit this little wire over the heatsink. So what I did is squeeze it together, take the wire out completely, then put the bulb in, have it sit in the groove, and then fit this around and put the wire in those two holes and clip it into place. Now, I can't hold the camera while I'm doing this, so I'm going to go ahead and do it and show you guys after what it looks like. So there you go. Clipped the wire in here and was able to get it mounted all nice and solid. And a lot of you guys, number one comment, or most comments, is how do I get that heat sink, not heat sink, but the cover, dust cover back onto the housing with the heat sink or the fan or anything there. I'm going to do it right now so you guys can see it. Now, you just line it up. See, there's a little tab on it right there. There's a little groove right there. You line it up. You line it up straight, just like that. It'll sit in like a little pocket. You turn it, and it's in. And then you have your little adjuster up here for your beam, but you guys know about that. So yeah. So that headlight is now in. Now we'll move to the... So here are the LED switchbacks that I ended up going with. They're from a company called Katur on Amazon. Now I buy all my stuff off of Amazon. I know a lot of people say stay away from Chinese stuff. Now this isn't really a Chinese brand. It's made in China, but it's a different company. They're, again, Katur tuning. They're all about LED lighting and all that type of stuff. When I buy LED lights, I always make sure they have 5-star reviews. They have nothing but good things to say about them. I only go, like I said, with 5-star reviews. I make sure that I read all the reviews, make sure people have had no issues with them, that they have been working for a little while, and just basically overall a good light source. So again, I went with these LED switchbacks. So as you can see, they have the white diode and the orange diode along with your lens here. Pretty basic little push lights. They also come with these resistors so they don't hyper flash. Now those resistors go on with these little clips here. They go on to the black and the blue wire. It doesn't really matter how they go. You just wire them on the outside of the light here, just like that. Not really a big deal. And the way you take these out is just turn, and these don't come with light bulbs, so it's actually a good thing that I got the lights to begin with. So you just go ahead and hold everything at once with one finger, take the light bulb and just push it in. So I just finished up wiring the LED switchbacks. So I showed you guys putting the bulbs in. Now I added the resistors. So right here you see you put the one side to the blue and the other side to the black. So it's going to be one resistor per LED bulb. So you're going to have 2 resistors per housing. So it's actually really easy. You just slide the wire in there, and this little metal clip kind of clamps down onto 2 wires, making your connection. So the other cool thing I actually find about these is that you can see the red from the LED bulb and the yellow chips when you look inside the projectors, and you can also see the switch back there inside the housing. So like I said, these are amber, so they're gonna run like a yellow type thing because the light is white inside, and then when they signal, they're gonna go to like a dark orange and then back to like a yellow. So it's gonna give it a different look than usual. Like I said, I'm gonna go to and put the 9005 bulbs from the other headlights into this, and so yeah, that's basically all you're gonna do to retrofit the LED switchbacks and to install the H1 bulb into the housing. Here are both headlights together. It would be cool to put some kind of demon eye in there. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, just stopping by for the first time, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you guys liked what you saw. Now, as far as headlights, once I put these headlights in the truck, the old headlights, I'm actually going to do a headlight build. So I'm going to take them all apart, I'm going to put some LED projectors, demon eye, halos, all that type of thing. I'm going to film and document all that stuff as well. I like the way these look, so I'm going to run these for a while, but while I have these in the truck as a project for next winter, that's what I'm going to do with the other headlights. So like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, do like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I'm OG, y'all new to the game.